Hi, I'm Dr. Karishma and I practice in India as well as Dubai. I came to IDEC, that is the International Dental Education Center here in Mumbai, for an occlusion program which was held by Dr. Subir Banerji from London, and I must say it was one of its kind. I haven't seen something like this since maybe God knows how many years now, and what I really liked about this course was a lot of things. To begin with, the content of the course was so much to do with the basics of dentistry, which I feel a lot of practitioners, as they get into private practice, somewhere they lose touch with it. So that was a very great thing. Of course, the faculty has been amazing. Dr. Banerji's knowledge, expertise, and not to mention, the warm nature, answered all our questions and doubts with so much of patience. And we were like a small family. None of us ever felt that we couldn't ask this question to Dr. Banerji. He was really sweet answering all of that. I would like to mention IDEC, which is International Dental Education Center. It lives up to its name. It's truly international. The facilities out here, right from the mannequin to aero to micromotor, that's real hands-on. And I think that's something which every practitioner should somewhere look into, and because it's a real kind of experience. So yes, I think I'm definitely coming to IDEC for all my future courses, and I would recommend anybody who's interested in learning the real dentistry, please come here. Thank you.